Hey, it's Urbanda. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this lamp on a budget. 2 months ago, I saw this lamp at Walmart and I like it a lot. Here is the picture that I took and here is the picture from the website, and the price is in between $80 to $90. I thought that was expensive, so I went to Google and looked for something similar to it, and I found this one. And look at the price. Because it has a simple look, I decided to do it myself with the help of my husband, and I only spent less than $20. What's not to like about it? For this project, of course, I'm using products from Dollar Tree. Everything is from the Dollar Tree, and what is not from the store, I will tell you where I got them. We used 2 wreath forms, 2 poster boards that we cut along the length of the poster board and 10 inches wide. We also use 1 floral foam. We are making this lamp from scratch. I mean, we are creating not only the panel but the structure, because I haven't seen a video that explains that yet. So for the structure, we are going to use wire, and we are using the drill to twist it and achieve a stronger wire. We will need 2 bars, and we will put them through the floral foam, forming a cross like so. Okay, for the legs of the lamp, we are going to need 3 broomsticks, and with a multi-tool, we are cutting the part that screws on the broom. We also remove the other final part because we only need the metal. Here I'm not gonna tell you the exact measure of the things because it will depend on the circumference that you are going to use for the lamp. To remove the labels completely, we use glue gun. That's from the Dollar Tree too. At Walmart, you can get a pendant label for about $10 or less, but we are using one from another lamp that we don't use anymore, and we are passing the wire through one of the tubes. For the lampshade, I'm using a tablecloth from the Dollar Tree, and I am cutting it lengthwise and 12 inches wide. With adhesive spray, we are going to glue together the poster board strips with the tablecloth. You make sure you work on a clean surface. We use the last 2 smallest circles of the floral wreath, and this is how we made the structure of the lampshade. To make sure that the tablecloth does not come off, I am using E6000 and then hot glue. And to decorate the lampshade, I am gluing jute around. Jute can be purchased at Walmart. To join the 3 legs, we are using electrical tape or masking tape. We are marking the area where the poles will go to later carve it and secure them with hot glue. To give the lamp legs a matte tone, we sprayed them with a matte finish spray that I got from Walmart, and we also have used gold metallic spray paint, also from Walmart. To cover the masking tape, I am using nautical rope, making a super simple knot, and later I'm securing the knot and around with hot glue. And there you go, look how beautiful this lamp turned out. I didn't spend much money because most of the things I already had at home, but I would like to know, what do you think of this lamp? Please let me know in the comments, and don't leave without subscribing. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.